Hi subscribers, welcome back to our channel. We are back with a new video on how to learn quick and easy instructional videos idea for teachers. We hope you will stay till end and watch the video for your benefit and knowledge. So first is screencasting. In my opinion, screencasting is the easiest method there is, as all you need is a screen recorder. Alternatively, you may like the idea of a lecture capture option that publishes videos directly to your LMS. PowerPoint allows you to record your presentation directly. Teachers usually record presentation with already made slides. Second, Smartboard Whiteboard. In this case, you need a whiteboard or a smartboard and lot of patience to film yourself. If your school uses a smartboard, it's a good idea to take advantage of the screen annotation feature and show more than a simple whiteboard on screen, such as LMS lesson. Keep in mind that in these videos, as in real life, you wouldn't be spending all lecture time writing on the whiteboard. That's why it's best to speed up those parts. You can also cut out those parts of the video entirely, but it could confuse students, so be aware. Third, green screen videos. A green screen is a great tool for classroom activities and can be used for any subject, for creating videos or even photos, assignments and so on. It's inexpensive and quite simple to use, even if you are teaching remotely or blended class. This is good if you need to deliver lecture type videos in which you can add a static or moving background. For example, this background could be so cool for a computer science class. Fourth, interactive videos. Interactive videos are the best in terms of how much time you can save. For example, a tool such as Kaltura not only integrates with your LMS but also features a timeline so you can edit your videos with ease. Plus, you can also add annotation, highlight important part with hotspot, add caption and even break videos into chapters. The best part is that you can also create video quizzes so students can watch your instructional videos and test their knowledge at the same time. So the last way is whiteboard animation videos. I could watch whiteboard animation videos all day. In fact, you can create explainer videos with free animation software that allows you to experiment with visual items such as text, images, charts, animated maps by simply dragging and dropping items on a template. Some of them also have pre-created scenes and the ability to add voiceover. So this is it for today's videos. If do you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. With this, we hope you like the video. If you do, like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.